Septic tank failure can totally wreck your day, and it usually happens because of some pretty common stuff like clogs, too much water, or roots creeping into your pipes. Okay, here's the deal. First off, don't just flush everything down the toilet like it's a trash can. Things like wipes, grease, or even coffee grounds can clog your septic system big time. Next, try to spread out your water use instead of doing 5 loads of laundry back to back, because overloading the system with water messes up the natural process. Also, keep an eye on your drains and fix leaks fast. Dripping taps or running toilets add up and flood the tank. If you've got trees near your septic lines, that's a red flag too. Roots can sneak in and crack pipes, so plant trees far away or get regular inspections. Scheduling a septic tank pumping every 3 to 5 years is key. It clears out sludge before it causes trouble. Avoid harsh chemicals and drain cleaners since they can kill the good bacteria that break down waste, and don't ignore any slow drains or bad smells. They're early warning signs you gotta act on. Lastly, make sure your septic system is designed for your household size so it's not working overtime. One of the biggest mistakes causing septic tank failure is ignoring regular maintenance, which lets sludge build up and block pipes. Fix it by booking routine cleanings. Another common problem is flushing harmful stuff that creates clogs or kills bacteria. The simple fix is to only flush toilet paper and human waste. Third, people often underestimate how much water their household uses. Flooding the system, spreading out water, heavy tasks, and fixing leaks helps keep things balanced. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's a win-win since contractors get quality jobs without the hassle of hunting clients themselves.